everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to do some chili con carne. We're going to use mushroom, red kidney beans, and beside it I'm going to do some bami. No, I'm not sure if I'm going to steam the bami or I don't want to fry it, so I may just rehydrate the bami and just just sear it off on the top of this the pan, right? If you want to continue watching this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like the video, guys, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this one. All right, guys, at this time I'm going to go in with my kidney beans. So I soak it in 2 cups of water, and I'm going to add 2, maybe 1 more cup of water. Yeah, just a little over. Our salt. And my beans have been soaking overnight. Now I'm going to pressure cook the bean, guys. Alright, guys, let's take a look at our peas. And this has been pressuring for around 20 minutes. So far so good. We want to get it like this. We don't want to get it too mushy because remember we're still going to cook it, right? Alright, guys, I'm going to go in with some oil. Now at this time I'm going to go in with my garlic and ginger. My Scotch bonnet pepper, onion and scallion. Want to sweat that down a little bit. Now, guys, I'm going to go in with my tomato. I also have here some tomato paste. It was in my freezer, guys, so it will take a little time to dissolve. And if you have your tomato paste, a good way you can keep it is to just store it in the freezer, right, as opposed to having it in the can. And tomato paste is just tomato concentrate. We're going to start adding some layer of flavors now, which is salt, some all-purpose seasoning, my chili powder, now I'm going to go in with my peas, my peas water. Now because we had chopped some Scotch bonnet pepper, I still want to go in with more. I want more flavor of the Scotch bonnet pepper, and this, I think this is a big Scotch bonnet pepper, guys. So what I did was just poke a small hole to release the flavor, not the spice, right? So we're going to put that in there as well, and just leave that to cook for a little while. When I return, I add more ingredients. All right, guys, let's take a look and see what's going on now. Beautiful, it's smelling so good already, guys. Now what I'm going to do now is to add more seasonings. So more chili pepper, more of my all-purpose seasoning, some Jamaican browning. If you don't have the browning, you can always substitute for soy sauce. And if you're going to use a soy sauce, if you're using, let's say if you're using 2 teaspoons of the soy sauce, you put 2 more teaspoons of water to kind of balance it out, right? And to this now we're going to add our mushrooms, and I do think the mushroom just help to give it this a little bit more flavor. Just tasting to see if it need anything else, which I highly doubt. Flavor is there, guys, trust me. The flavor is right there where I want it to be. Alright, so now you're going to turn on your stove on medium to low heat. We're not in any rush for this one, guys, so we're going to leave it there to just cook down and all the lovely flavors absorb in the peas. Now we're going to finish off with some thyme. I like to add the thyme last sometime because it does add a little fresh taste to the beans, right? And I'm going to go in with some sweet peppers. And you can just still give this some time to just come down a little bit more. beautiful chili con carne we have here. Alright guys, we're going to work on our steamed veggie now, and we're going to add in some oil. Alright guys, so I'm going to add in my garlic, my onion and scallion. At this time too, you can add in your carrots, because carrots take a little time to break down. My sweet peppers, my all-purpose seasoning, a little salt, and my vegetables. Now my vegetable contain kale, Swiss, and purple cabbage, and I think pak choy in there too, guys. What I did, I had a few of them in the fridge and I didn't want them to go bad on me, so I just chop up everything together and just use it throughout the week. You can do that too. So if you have your vegetables and you don't want them to go bad and you know you want to use them up in variety, then you can do it like this. Alright guys, this is it for our vegetables. I'm going to remove it off the heat. And you know I'm going to tell you the heat from the pot is going to continue to steam the vegetables, right? We still want to maintain the color, the vibrance of the vegetable. You don't want to serve up a vegetable that is black looking. No. Right? So we're just going to take it off. This is lovely, guys. This is absolutely lovely. So by the time we finish with the bami, the chili con carne will be totally ready, right? Now working with our bami, so you're gonna get yourself some nice fresh bami. Yeah, what we're going to do now is to rehydrate it in coconut milk, some salt. Now we're going to work with our bami, and I'm just going to add a little bit of oil, guys. Don't want to deep fry the bami. I'm going to add it now. Now guys, the idea is to get them a little toasty. And I can tell you they're pretty soft on the inside. And this is it, guys, our nice chili con carne. Such beautiful flavor with our toasted bami. And vegetables. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.